What do you do with your old paint that's sitting around your house? When you take it to the dump, it gets sent over to our factory where we categorize it. Oil paints, water-based paints, clear coats, and stains. And then from there, we take our largest category, which is the water-based paints, and we categorize that by color. So we put the reds, the greens, the blues, the whites all together, and we pour similar shades together in 45-gallon drums. And we use those 45-gallon drums of all different shades of paint and different qualities and sheens, and we make 16 standard colors. May I show you the 16 standard colors? There they are right there. We test for quality to ensure that it's at least as good as a $30 gallon of paint, and the wonderful part about our program is that we retail it at $15 a gallon.
Every year, over 500 million pounds of granite are thrown away in the United States. There are 30,000 granite fabricators throughout the United States. They throw away about a dumpster per week, which is over 20,000 pounds. So in different cities throughout the U.S., we have the pallet program with them, and we recycle that material instead of it going into the landfill. For example, this is a 1,200 square foot walkway at the Morton Arboretum in Lisle, and that represents 25,000 pounds of granite countertop material that was diverted from a landfill. The recycled split stone is we take the countertop remnant and we chop it up into little pieces. For example, this is garbage, so we would make a tile out of it instead of throwing it away. And what this does is it creates jobs and reduces millions of pounds of waste every single year.
Tradical hempcrete is basically made out of the waste product from the industrial hemp processing process. It is the woody core shiv from the industrial hemp plants, and it is actually mixed with a proprietary lime putty binder. It is biodegradable, carbon sequestering, carbon negative, completely recyclable. The goal here is really all about creating healthy buildings that transmit moisture. We've done over 500 buildings throughout the world, mostly in Canada, the United States, and the United Kingdom. Commercial, residential, the application methods really vary based on the type of construction the architect is designing. High thermal mass, high R values, really we can get anywhere from the high 30s to into the 50s based on what the requirements are for the project.
At this show, we're very excited to talk about the facts of Scentiva and the Greenway, which is our sustainability initiatives program. All of our products are Floor Score certified, and our adhesives are Green Guard certified for low VOCs. We recycle all of our production waste, and then after our product is made, any scrap that we have is then chipped down and sent back to recycle into the backing of other products that we're manufacturing. In addition to that, we've just introduced a new product that is phthalate free. So our homogeneous Victory series, which are the metallic ones that you see on the floor here, are all using phthalate free plasticizers.
The cork flooring is actually created from our raw materials are brought in from the cork wine stopper industry. We buy all the waste, we clean up the fours to make sure that they stay healthy. We take these raw materials, grind them up, compress them into blocks, and then we can mill them just like a hardwood into different patterns and looks for flooring. This pattern here is an award winner from it was the first cork pattern to win the Best of Neocon for design.
Hi, I'm Matt with Timbersill, which is a glass-infused wood product. What we do is we actually put liquid glass inside the cellulose fibers of the wood and then solidify the glass. Now what that does is that gives the wood added strength. So you can increase your spans, separate your joists or studs farther apart, allowing you to use less material, saving money on the project by saving labor and material costs. But the real benefit to Timbersill is that it's a non-toxic alternative to pressure-treated wood. You can use Timbersill anywhere you would use conventional pressure-treated wood, and you get the poisons, out of your living area. There's 0 VOCs. Timbersill is the only EPA-listed barrier product, and what that means is Timbersill prevents the insects from eating the wood by only using a physical barrier.